Welcome to the Practice English at Home channel. Hey everyone! Today we're learning some super common English phrases. Let's get started.
I am feeling thirsty. I am feeling thirsty. I have completed my homework. I have completed my homework. I like to eat fruit. I like to eat fruit. I am getting late for school. I am getting late for school. Ice cream tastes delicious on a hot day. Ice cream tastes delicious on a hot day. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. Let's go to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo. Don't fight with me. Don't fight with me. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. My bad habit is, I go to bed late. My bad habit is, I go to bed late. I am riding a bicycle. I am riding a bicycle. My parents are very strict. My parents are very strict. Pull the wheelchair. Pull the wheelchair. Do you like Chinese food? Do you like Chinese food? Let's play hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek. Birds are chirping. Birds are chirping. My relatives are coming over for dinner. My relatives are coming over for dinner. My teacher punished me today. My teacher punished me today. I wash my hands before eating my food. I wash my hands before eating my food. Are we going for a picnic? Are we going for a picnic? Look at the butterfly. Look at the butterfly. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. I am feeling shy. I am feeling shy. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Clean up the room. Clean up the room. I am feeding the cat. I am feeding the cat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you next time.